It takes actually a lot of practice because we've been, for how many years, how many decades have we all just been living from up here? So just because of an hour into this workshop, you're not going to suddenly be a master of being able to be in your body, but you can start the practice if you want, because when you're in your body, you can tell if you're safe with this person or not. You know how dogs can go into a room and go, any person, yes, no, safe, not, right? No, don't like that person. We have that same little dog inside us. Okay? If we're up here, we're going to go, I don't feel like they're safe, but they're so cute, I'm going to go for it anyway. How many people besides me have done that? More than that. Okay? All right? So our mind overrides what our body knows. So when we start getting more into our body, we start noticing, is this a person I would feel comfortable hanging out with? Is this a person I would like to just sit on the couch with? Is this a person, if I were in Trader Joe's and I patted them on the arm or on the butt, they would feel okay about it? Is this person going to be my friend, possibly? But when we're up here in our eyes, we're looking for the wrong thing. We're looking for, is this person hot and will they look good on my arm? And that, for most of us, has led us to relationships that did not end well, or we would not be here. Okay? That's what I thought it was. You find someone who looks right and seems right, and then you go for it. And you try to make a relationship out of it. That's what we're taught since we're watching Disney movies when we're 5, right? A beautiful princess looks like this. Handsome prince looks like this. We're going to grow up trying to find this person. That's our idea, but it actually doesn't work. Because if you watch most love stories, what are the most greatest love stories? How do they end? Tragedy. And we're living these tragedies because we're going about it in that way. So if relationships work based on friendship, let's just let our bodies tell us, does this have a quality of friendship? Just practice in this laboratory. Does this person, who I'll probably never see again, most people we date will never see again, right? I met 150 first dates when I was trying to find him. Most of them I never saw again. Some of them I saw 2 or 3 dates, 4 months, one time, so on like this. That's how dating goes. But most people we date will never see again. You guys will probably never see each again. Maybe you will. Let your body start feeling, does this person have a quality that I could be comfortable with them? The best sex is going to be with people you feel comfortable with, not people where you're worried if you're looking good. To have really intimate relationships, you want to be so comfortable you can be, they like everything about you. They just do. That's how it is with your best friends, right? You just ignore what you don't like because you like hanging out with them. That's who you want to be with. In Tantra, we look for that. We let our bodies tell us, not our eyes, who we're attracted to. Actually, in Tantra, we have a real advantage because we're actually attracted to almost everyone. Because we can feel who you are as a person, and I find that very attractive. I find a person in their essence really sexy. Really hot if they're really vulnerable, open, sharing, taking things easy. Very sexy. But what are we taught? Have you seen some of these perfume ads where the guys look like they're a rapist? They're looking at you like this. It's like, that's supposed to be hot? Some of these women look so dolled up that they don't even look like people. So, what I'm suggesting in Tantra is we go with our body. Who is my body more comfortable with? And our eyes might tell us. It's a process. It took me 3.5 years of working on this process of going, oh, my mind's trying to override what my body's telling me. So, you get a little taste of it tonight. Okay.